fruit, but what kind of fruit? That's gonna be the tough part. Why is it squishy? So ball. What? Is this an apple?
Fruit.
Okay, so it was at once it was one item.
As if you'll know. So
Okay.
whenever you're ready.
All right, go.
Orange. Grapefruit.
There's leaves on it, so it grows on trees. It's not orange. Right there. That's a leaf.
No.
I know. I'm not putting my hands up. Okay, it's some sort of citrus.
No, it's an avocado from the tree. What? Mango. What grows on trees? Not an avocado? Pear? Stem? Where's the leaf I was on? Right here. It has to be an apple. Bananas.
Is it an avocado?
All right, so this is it's a fruit.
Oh, this is a tough one. Small grapefruit.
Is it like a big lime or something? Or lemon? Okay.
Lemon. Lemon. Is there a time limit?
You can guess as much as you
I'm guessing
want.
it's a lemon.
It is a lemon.
Okay. Wait, it's too small to be a lime.
A lemon. A lime. Yes! Yay!
You can guess as much as you want.
Lemon's like a lemon.
Take a look.
Yeah.
Take a look.
It's a lemon!
Not a lemon. No way, is it really?
Yeah, go for it. Take a look.
Holy it's gigantic!
Feels kind of like a very large lemon.
Look at that! Oh my gosh!
It's a grapefruit. Orange, lemon, lemon.
You got it. You can just.
This game's more nerve-wracking than I thought. Sponge.
This is a sponge. Squishy. That's a sponge. That's
Oh, sponge.
It's a sponge.
easy. Oh. Wait, what is
A sponge?
That's it!
Oh, this feels way too familiar now. You got a sponge?
You got a sponge. Very nice.
It's a sponge.
Right! Look at that.
Sponge.
Look at that! Alright.
No. Some sort of bowl.
It's what's inside the bowl.
It's a bowl. Oh, that's inside. Bowl with beans.
It's what's inside the bowl.
There we go. This is a bowl of cereal.
Oh, it's a cup of, I'm guessing, beans.
Is it candy?
Okay. Bowl.
It's what's inside the bowl.
It's not aquarium gravel.
sprinkles. Jeez.
No, beans.
Wait.
Am I allowed to get a hint?
No hints.
No hints. No hints.
Just
okay.
keep guessing.
Okay.
Unless you give up.
I'm not giving up.
It's not cereal, is it?
Can I smell it?
No. Only your fingers.
Candy. No, soup, beans, lentils, rice.
No, not beans. There's a couple something.
But it's not candy. Popcorn? Popcorn. Yay!
Yep.
Popcorn. Popcorn. I eat popcorn all month. Okay. They're popcorn kernels.
Yes, they are.
I give up.
Okay, take a look.
Popcorn. That's close to beans.
Yes.
Popcorn.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, Gabriel.
Okay, now you can go ahead.
Popcorn kernels?
Oh. Popcorn.
Candy. I give up.
Take a look.
What could it be? Oh, these are popcorns, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
Popcorn kernels.
That is correct. Yeah.
What do we got? It's some kind of handle?
Okay. Cool. Stuffed animal of some sort. This is a stuffed animal of some sort. But
Which
what
one?
kind? Okay.
Stuffed animal. An elephant, I think. Is this a stuffed animal?
It's like a stuffed animal.
Okay, but which stuff?
Yeah.
Stuffed animal. It's a rabbit. A bunny. No.
Those are legs. Some kind of, it's a rabbit stuffed animal or?
Ears. It's a stuffed animal. Do I need to be specific? Oh boy. Okay. Oh, I think it's a kangaroo. No? Not a kangaroo? Okay, hold on.
That's the wings.
You never know.
Unicorn?
Nope.
Is it a butterfly? I
Nope.
have no idea.
Good guess. Keep guessing.
Oh,
Rabbit?
Oh, we got hands. It's a fish. No. It's a dragon. No. I don't know what it is.
What is it? Feels like, are those legs? And this is ears? Legs, ears.
Got a tail. Elephant.
Nope.
No?
it's a stuffed animal, but I don't know what's the animal. Is this a bird?
Is it an actual animal?
What is it? I don't know.
Give up.
No, never.
I don't know. A cat, a dog, an elephant. It's a tail. Something with a tail.
I don't know.
Look at it.
A Pokemon, or what's his name?
Like Pokemon? Or like Pikachu? Pikachu? Wow! That would have been really sad.
Okay. I give up.
Look at it.
Oh!
Oh, I know what it is. I think it's a Pikachu stuffed animal.
Wow!
I give up.
It wasn't Pokemon. I should have known that.
Is it Pikachu?
It is Pikachu. Take a look.
No way!
Let us know if you give up.
I give up.
You give up? Okay, take a look.
A Pikachu. I would have never got that.
Stuffed animal. A bunny? No, a fox. A Pikachu!
It is! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Wow!
So oranges? A pear? A lemon? Wait, did I get it right? Yes.
Okay, go for it.
A stuffy?
Okay, what kind? Who is it?
A bear?
Nope. Ready? Take a look.
Oh, it's Pikachu.
That was a hard one to guess. Wait, are you gonna send this video to our parents?